Hello, guys, and welcome back to my English comprehension listening exercises. Today, we're going to be talking about the country of Malaysia. But first, guys, as always, please like my videos, and of course, please hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it is greatly appreciated. So we're going to talk about the country of Malaysia. Malaysia is a country in Southeast Asia. It borders Thailand and is surrounded by the sea. Malaysia became an independent country in 1963 after being ruled by Great Britain for many years. Did you know that? It has a long, very strong economy that includes tourism and trade. Because of its location in the South Pacific Ocean, the climate of Malaysia is tropical. This means that it is very hot and humid. Humid means it is when there is a lot of water in the air. Also, the temperature does not change much throughout the year in Malaysia. Malaysia's climate makes it a wonderful place for many plants and animals to live. In fact, Malaysia is one of the world's most diverse ecosystems. Diverse means it has many different parts. An ecosystem means a place where plants and animals live. Many of the plants and animals that live in Malaysia can only be found there in Malaysia. Let's talk a little bit about biodiversity in Malaysia. Biodiversity means that a large number of different kinds of animals and plants exist together. In 2001, Malaysia was ranked as one of the top 12 diverse countries in the world in terms of biology. Biology is part of the plants and animal system. It is believed that over 170,000 different kinds of plants and animals live in Malaysia. In fact, scientists think that nearly 20% of the world's animals live in Malaysia. Some of the animals that live in Malaysia are mammals, animals that give birth to live babies, not eggs. Birds, frogs, lizards, snakes, and insects. Malaysia is home to tigers, elephants, rhinoceros, turtles, and many different kinds of monkeys, including the orangutan. The orangutan is such a strange looking mammal, isn't it? Some of these animals live in the mountains of Malaysia, and some live in the forest. Because Malaysia has different landscapes, many different kinds of animals with different food and housing needs can live there. In addition to animals, some of the world's most exotic plants live in Malaysia. Exotic means rare or hard to find. Most of Malaysia is forest, so many different kinds of trees can be found there. Scientists believe that over 2,000 different kinds of trees grow in Malaysia. Also, over 8,500 different kinds of plants can be found in Malaysia. Like with the animals, many of these trees and plants are only found in the Malaysian forests and mountains. Being a home to so many different kinds of animals, and especially plants, is not only interesting, but is also very important for the world. Many medicines are made from plants. For example, many medicines are used to prevent or help cure certain kinds of cancers that are made from plants. Did you know that? The plants that these medicines are made from come from all over the world. Many come from the farthest of Malaysia. So that was a brief English listening exercise, comprehension exercise about the country of Malaysia. If you want to know more about the country of Malaysia, look it up on the internet. It's a great tourist place where people go and visit and enjoy themselves. And I hope you like this exercise, guys. Again, if you like it, please like my videos and also hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, guys, bye-bye.